today I'll be asking my Kuya Dave and Ate Tina to some fun questions. Let's see if they know each other. Ready? Let's go.
Para marinig. Go.
Start na, Ben. Start mo na. Pakilala mo na sila.
This is Ate Tina.
Hi.
This is Kuya Dave.
Hello.
What? Anong tawag sa channel?
Elise's Adventure.
Ay, hindi. Anong tawag sa mga subscribers?
What do you call your subscribers?
Just subscribers.
Oh, you should,
Oh,
you
you
should call them, ano?
How about adventurers?
Ang haba, boy.
Come on, next.
Hi, adventurers! Welcome to the vlog.
Okay, go. What's your questions?
Who said I love you first?
Who said I love you first?
Hoy, hindi na para magsinungaling. Nandito talaga yung bata.
I remembered she said I love you first.
No! Hoy, hindi! Ako ba? O sige, ako na lang.
Okay, 1 point for me.
May 1 point.
Wait, wala bang point?
Ayoko.
Next.
Where did you first meet?
Where did we first meet?
We first met at Makati, Malugay. So, near my office.
Yes. Near 7-Eleven, am I right? Or, because the 7-Eleven is below on the first floor. Yeah.
Who had a crush first?
Who had a crush first?
That's a
Her.
very controversial.
Her.
No, sorry guys, but the reality.
It's her.
No.
I mean,
Him.
is it me or you?
You. Ano ka ba ikaw?
How do you explain that it's me?
Unang kita niya sa akin. Feeling.
I remember that you added me first.
Ako ba?
Yeah.
But he was the first person.
Because your friends introduced me to you.
But he messaged me first.
Mm.
So I thought he likes me first.
But you
Okay.
added me first. As in Facebook.
Whatever.
Okay, next question.
What was your first date?
When our first date in Starbucks.
Starbucks. We had
Starbucks.
matcha.
Yeah. Matcha. Memorable experience.
Who is sweeter?
What?
Sweeter daw. Sweeter ba?
Who is sweeter? Me.
Ako! Okay, maniwala. Ay, Diyos ko.
It's me.
Nagsisinungaling pa sa kapatid niya talaga naman. Ako po.
Okay. It's her. Based on her opinion. Next.
Who is more talkative?
Her.
Him.
No, not me. It's
Kapag plants, if it's about plants, philosophy, it's him.
No, it's you.
Okay. Ako pala. In general.
Yeah.
I'm the yapper.
Okay.
Who takes longer to get ready?
Her.
Me.
Because she do all her makeup and I was impatient.
I do everything, like
And it
makeup.
takes 1 hour. Minimum of 1 hour.
So I have to get ready in advance. I have to
Before
wake up
she can
early.
do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who spends more money?
Who spends more money? Her.
No!
Because she has no savings.
Oh! Hindi na para. Him. He splurges on his hobbies a lot.
Yeah. I admit to that.
But I splurge more on food kasi.
That's why she's so...
Ano? Hindi na para.
Her hobby is food. Next.
I love tasting food kasi.
Who is funnier?
Who is funnier? Me. It's me. I have a lot of jokes, unexpected jokes.
Hindi
That
talaga.
she always laughs at.
Sige,
Yeah.
ikaw na yan. Sabi mo eh.
Next. Oh, there's more, huh?
A
Oh
lot.
no.
Wow.
Ano?
Hindi ka inform, nobela pala to,
We
Jai.
only have just 5 minutes. But she has 30 minutes to get ready for this interview.
Who is more stubborn?
Who is more stubborn?
Stubborn.
I think
David.
it's me. It's me.
David.
Because I'm too impatient. To...
I'm very, kasi, flexible and patient.
Yeah.
Sobrang
I admit
patient
to
ko.
that. I agree.
Who is the better singer?
Me.
Me.
Of
Guys,
course, me.
kung gusto nyo ng part 2, comment below para marinig, mag-showdown kami. Wow! Ang feeling!
Well, I think it's me because I have a lot of range and lot of I hit a lot of notes and range.
Do you believe your kuya? Oo.
She's not biased. Next.
Who snores louder?
What?
Who snores louder?
Her.
I don't.
She always snores,
I don't.
especially when she lie on her back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sige.
Who eats more?
Her. No, I think
Ang okay ng tawa.
I think it's me because I need a lot of foods because I always exercise. I need a lot of foods. But her, I think she rarely eats a lot of rice. More on
I like to taste
yeah.
variety of food like dishes. For example, sweet, spicy, so I can compare which one is
Yeah.
better. I like
The
doing
serving
that.
is too small.
Yeah.
Just for tasting, not
Just
for
for tasting.
not for full. Okay.
I like to do that.
Who is always late?
Who is always
Oh my
late?
God.
I
Actually,
think her. I think both.
Depends.
It depends.
on the
It depends on the
situation.
situation.
Yeah. As I arrive earlier than him,
Sometimes.
tapos vice versa.
Who is more forgetful?
Who is more forgetful?
Forgetful.
It depends.
Hindi ako forgetful.
Hindi ba?
Oo.
Okay. I think it depends.
I remember even the smallest details.
Also, it's me. More forgetful.
Who is more dramatic?
Her! Because obviously.
It's always the girls, you know that.
Because
Alam mo yan.
she's a girl. It's obvious.
Grabe. I'm the dramatic. I'm the drama queen.
If you switch
Oh, sorry.
bodies for one day, what would you do first?
What?
If you switch bodies for one day,
Ba't ganito ang intense? Para ba to sa rated G?
If nag-switch na tayo ng body,
Oo
ano daw
nga,
mong
ano-
gagawin?
Una kong gagawin, amuyin yung kilikili.
Ako? Ano ba? Ganun.
Bata pa.
Ano ba? Cut.
Rated cut.
You need
May
to
ano
cut
pa na
that.
dito.
Oh.
Lick the
Lick the elbow.
Oo.
But you can't do that because you cannot lick your elbow.
So, I can test your flexibility kasi.
Oh, you lick your elbows. No, right now. Try to lick your elbows.
I can't. Okay.
Nilik talaga eh. Next.
who is more likely to steal food from the other's plate?
Her.
Grabe.
Because she like to taste my foods.
Ah.
But me, I'm contented with my food na if I'm ordering.
Feeling mo, no? Parang ginawa mo ko masama. Sige na nga lang. Yes. Cut the story short.
Who would survive longer on a deserted island?
Me!
David. It's always David.
Because
Him.
I'm a survivalist.
Yeah.
Especially when my life is at
Always
risk.
depend on him kasi.
Yeah.
But I can survive naman on
But on urban, I can't survive in
Yeah.
urban.
So urban ako.
I'm
the
more of
urban
a survivor.
girl.
Next.
What is your favorite thing about each other?
Favorite thing about each other.
Oh, taray. Valentine's special. Favorite thing? My favorite thing about your kuya. His physique. Wow!
Me, my
His
favorite.
his broad shoulders. Oh, yes! Yes!
My favorite thing is her personality and jolliness.
Wow. Ba't na naiyak ka, boy?
Hindi naman.
He's about to cry, oh.
No, I'm not. I'm not really. Hindi na para.
His mindset din.
What nickname do you call each other?
What nickname?
Nickname?
Ponggok.
Can you explain it to her?
Ponggok because it means short and stubby, like mataba. Yeah.
Oy, you're so bad! Grabe ka, tinuturuan
How
ng
about her?
bata. I call him,
Troso.
Troso.
Why? What? Can you explain the context?
He swims like Troso, like a
Like
Troso.
because remember, Trosa is like a tree,
Tree.
like floating, like style of floating. And I
So
swim.
recently, I'm calling him that
Yeah,
name.
yeah.
Troso.
Troso.
But I used to call him Love.
No, it's our ano eh, it's our.
It's our endearment
Yeah, yeah,
kasi.
yeah.
It's, yeah, we call each other Love, yeah.
Next.
What's your favorite? What's your happiest memory together?
Happiest
Happiest.
memory together. Many. It's countless eh.
Wow! Shocks. Pero one thing I can remember, siguro we went to La Union and swimming pool yun. 5
Yeah, yeah.
feet swimming pool. Tapos,
Yeah, yeah.
binuhat niya ako.
Saan?
Kasi para daw hindi ako malunod. Diba?
Ah.
How sweet of him.
Okay. Gets.
What's one thing you learned from each other?
One thing, I learned to adjust to other people like that. Yeah.
One thing I've learned when I met your kuya, siguro having routine or sticking to a routine or a hobby, yun yung naano niya sa akin. Tapos he actually taught me how to appreciate life in general. So,
Yeah.
it's a good match.
na too deep na daw.
Too deep. Totoo. Kasi ganun yung kuya mo. Sobrang deep niya.
Yeah.
If you could travel anywhere together, where would you go?
Travel together anywhere.
Japan ako eh.
Yeah, Japan. We love Japan because it's cold and the history, the tradition, culture,
The
the
food.
foods.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, on this question,
Last na yun, no?
you need to answer at the same time.
Okay. I love
Okay,
this.
okay.
Is this fast talk? Like a fast talk?
What like is there choices?
No, sabay daw tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
We count on 3.
What's each other's favorite food?
Wait lang. 1.
Wait lang. Favorite. Wait.
Ikaw
Give me.
mag-count niya.
Okay. 10 seconds minimum.
Daya. Pinatagal pa. Sige, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ang dali lang, boy.
7,
Ang sa
8,
sa'yo.
9, 10.
Mango.
Clove.
She like mango. Every style, jam and raw fruit. She likes mango. The shakes. Yeah.
Chimango.
How about you?
Sabi ko nga itlog
Yeah,
eh.
yeah.
Kasi ang bilis
It's
lang
true.
eh.
It's true.
Just gonna...
Okay, next.
Favorite color?
Okay.
Favorite color.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Purple.
Nagkasundo rin.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
Dream vacation.
Dream vacation? Okay.
Sige. Ano? Sabay na tayo? Or magka-count?
Are you going to count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Camping.
Japan.
Ako camping kasi nalagay ko.
Okay. Yes.
Pero Japan din na is.
Yeah. How many more? Too many questions.
Hindi ko na-inform. Ano pala to?
Ano pala to? No? 3
Research
hours.
survey. With minimum 1 hour.
Next.
Favorite movie.
Ooh.
Favorite movie?
One.
The recent one?
2, 3,
Yung recent na.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Beekeeper. Okay.
Favorite dessert.
Favorite dessert?
Ay, ang dami.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ube ice cream. Ah.
Same wavelength.
Next.
Galing.
Nakita ko talaga yun. Ano ako, side ko. Okay, na yun, baby. Ano na yun for next episode?
Parang ano pa to, 10 pages yan.
There's still a lot.
Oh no! Next episode na yan. Okay.
Next
for-
episode. At least
for-
pwede mong i-cut yung video.
For the next episode.
Hi guys! Welcome to the next
Thank
episode.
you. Thank you for inviting us. And I hope to see you soon. Elise's subscribers.
Please subscribe, guys.
Subscribe to her
Click
channel.
below.
Click the
Dito.
notification
Yeah.
bell. And like every video.
Okay.
There's more episodes to come. So, you turn on the
Also,
notification.
please comment part 2 if gusto nyo pa ng more videos like this.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. See you. Bye. See you next time.